You can't force everyone to participate in government-run healthcare and then change the rules on them, can you? That's exactly what happens with all socialist systems, which is what government-run healthcare is. As Margaret Thatcher herself once said, socialism works fine until you run out of someone else's money. Private insurance companies, health insurance, life insurance, car insurance, whatever, they don't run out of money, usually, because they're always checking the numbers. They bring in incentives also to make sure you live your life in a less risky way. So, for example, if you don't have a traffic accident for a period of years, they might reward you with lower premiums. They'll make sure you don't give in to what insurers call a moral hazard, as in there's no downside to bad behavior if someone else is insuring you, so you do the bad behavior. So that's why most private insurance companies have a deductible. The first few $1,000s in a car accident, for example, you have to pay yourself before you get to claim insurance, just so you maintain the psychology of not using a safety net as a hammock. So real insurance can work, but government health insurance doesn't, because it's not really insurance, it's just socialism calling itself insurance. Let me give you a few more facts about this UK ban. I'm reading from the article now. It's not the entire NHS, but the authorities in a county called Hertfordshire, which has about 1 million people in it. So let me read a couple of paragraphs. That's what Hertfordshire is. It's a region. The criteria also mean smokers will only be referred for operations if they have stopped smoking for at least 8 weeks, with such patients breathalyzed before referral. East and North Hertfordshire CCG and Herts Valleys said the plans aimed to encourage people, I'm quoting from the story here, to take more responsibility for their own health and well-being wherever possible, freeing up limited NHS resources for priority treatment. One last thing from the article, both are in financial difficulty, and between them seeking to save £68 million during the financial year. So yeah, this is because they've run out of money. They've run out of other people's money because it's free, right? That's an excerpt from my daily TV show, The Ezra Levant Show. Normally it's behind a paywall, but I thought you'd like this video, so we put it on YouTube. If you want to subscribe to watch the daily show every day, including always 2 interviews a day, and I read my hate mail, just click on this screen and become a premium member.